Hey everybody, it's Deb. In this video, we're going to review how to reply to the comments in your YouTube Shorts. So we're going to open up YouTube, and you're going to go to your account. So I'm going to open up my channel, and I'm going to go to my Shorts. So here's one that has a comment on it. So if I wanted to make a comment on this to reply to him, I could do a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or I could heart his comment. But this third option is how you would reply. It says add a reply, and you can type in your reply right here, and you can just put in what you need to and then send it. And there you go. You got it. And I'll go ahead and like his comment. So that's it. It's very easy. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. The YouTube gobs love it when we do that. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel for additional content.